In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to texture 3D model using Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a reference image into Weavy AI, hook it up to the Rodan model, and generate textured results with the option to add more image inputs for richer detail. First, open your browser and head to the Weavy AI app. Give it a moment to load the workspace. You'll be working on a visual canvas where each element is represented as a block you can connect together, so keep an eye on the main area in the center. Once you're in, either create a new file or open an existing one. A new file gives you a clean slate if you're starting from scratch. An existing file is great if you've already started a flow and want to build on it. Either way, you should see an empty or partially built canvas where we'll add our inputs and model. On the canvas, right-click in an empty area and choose Import. This is how you'll bring your texture reference into the project. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're clicking on a blank spot without selecting other nodes. Next, use drag and drop or click to upload to add your image. Pick a clear, well-lit reference that represents the texture you want. Higher resolution images generally help the model infer more detail. If you're unsure, start with a single clean texture photo and iterate from there. From the toolbar, add the Rodan model to your canvas. This is the AI model that will interpret your image and apply it in a way that suits 3D texturing. Place it near your image block so the connection step is straightforward. Now connect the image to the model. Click the output from your imported image block and drag a line to the image input on the Rodan model. You should see a visual link confirming they're connected. This tells the model exactly which image to use as its reference. Click Run Model. The process may take a moment depending on your image size and system load. Keep the window open and watch for status indicators to know when it's finished. When it completes, review the output and consider what aspects you might want to refine. If you'd like more control, click Add another image input on the model. This creates an additional input slot, letting you expand your references for better coverage or style consistency across different areas. That's it. You've set up Weavy AI, imported a texture reference, connected it to the Rodan model, run your first pass, and enabled another image input for deeper refinement.